So today's tutorial is going to be how to create a simple text animation on After Effects easily and quickly. So keep that in mind. If you are an advanced level After Effects user, this tutorial is not for you. And if you are a beginner, then definitely you watch this video till the end. What's going on, everybody? So welcome to Doodler, and without adding much ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So let's start. So I'm just going to composition, new composition, and here I will just take this to, yeah, HGTV 1080 is fine, or yeah, it's fine. And width is 1920, height is 1080. You can also change the frame rate from here, like I'm making it 23.976, though there's not bit difference between them, but still I'm making it 23.976. so duration will be 10 seconds. 10 seconds will be fine. Hit OK. Now I'm just going to write something here. Like if you want a background, you can just give a background here. So I'm just going to give a solid. So here I'm just making it black. Okay, and now I'll go to new text. So here I'm going to write passion. Okay, so I'm taking this Unisans thin caps font. You can choose other fonts if you want to. You can do it with like heavy caps font also, but I think this will look good on thin caps. Okay, so now this is a very quick thing. So while selecting this text layer, you can go to this effects and presets, and from here type bulge. So I'm just going to give the bulge effect here. So I'm just dragging and putting it on the text passion. Okay, so now what I will do is, like, I need to create a keyframe here. So I'm just to I need to play with this bulge height here. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to make a keyframe. So let's make it 0 first. Okay, and here I'm making a keyframe bulge height, and then just going to like 1 second or something, and I'm making what I'm doing is, like, as you can see here, a small circle. So I'm just going to click on this and just going to drag this like this. So this is our bulge area. So the text will be like bulged in this particular area. Okay, so now if you click on this passion text and hit U, then you will be able to see the keyframe here. So now I will change the keyframe height to 0.9. okay, so now what will happen is, like, from this to this. So again I need to change it to the normal way, but before changing it to normal way, I just need to make it a bulge inside out. So for making it that, what I will do now, I will create a keyframe and I will change the bulge height to -0.9. okay, so now what is happening, like this, and I'm just going back to the normal state. So I'm going to 0. okay, so now what, this and this. So the animation is quite boring. So what I will do is, now I will select all the keyframes and I will press F9, that is easy ease. So that will create the animation a little bit like smooth. And now what I will do is, I will go to this graph editor, and from here I need to change something. Like I'm clicking on this anchor points and just making it changing it a little bit to give the animation a better look. Okay, so just like that, as you can see, just like that. And here I'm just making it this and this. you need to check, and you need to just experiment with this particular thing, because otherwise you will not able to understand what exactly works for this particular animation. So I'm just experimenting with this one. So let's check it once again, what happens in that. So yep, okay, so a little bit modification is needed. It's like that. So I'll go to the graph editor again, and I'm just going to make it a little bit interesting here, just to make it here, okay, and making this stiff here, okay, and putting this just like that. Let's check it. Okay, so let's check it. No, this is not working. So just making it equal. Let's check it now. Much better, I think. Here I don't need this much, so let's check it once again. Yeah, now I think it's okay. So let's check it. Yes, cool. Now it's just making it a little bit big so that you can understand it better. So yes, now it's okay, I think.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, if you have anything to discuss, or if you have any suggestion for this particular video, please give your positive comments in the comment section, and also let us know if you have any questions regarding this video. If you want to check my other tutorials about After Effects and Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop courses, you can check them into my channel, and also do not forget to subscribe if you like them. So be happy, be positive, be unique, and be creative. I will see you in the next video. Until then,